Are you ready to revolutionize your magical practice with the power of artificial intelligence? Imagine having an intelligent assistant to help craft your spells, design sigils, plan rituals, and even interpret omens. The fusion of AI and chaos magic isn't just a futuristic concept. It's a reality that's reshaping how we approach the mystical arts. In this video, we're diving into how AI can enhance chaos magic. Whether you're a seasoned magician or a curious seeker, you'll discover how modern technology can become a powerful ally in reclaiming your reality and shaping your destiny. Chaos magic thrives on flexibility and innovation. It's about taking control of symbols, rituals, and belief systems to create a personalized path to your goals. AI perfectly aligns with this ethos, offering tools to generate sigils and symbols. Imagine creating intricate sigils with the help of AI art tools that bring your intentions to life with unique designs. Plan personalized rituals. Let AI assist you in structuring rituals tailored to your specific goals and paradigms. Dive deep into research. With access to vast amounts of information, AI can help uncover hidden techniques or insights from diverse traditions and philosophies. Track your magical practice. Use AI as a personal grimoire to log your experiments, analyze patterns, and refine your techniques. Interpret symbols and omens. From dream analysis to real-world synchronicities, AI can offer fresh perspectives on the symbols you encounter. Here are just a few ways magicians are integrating AI into their practice. Crafting sigils with AI art. Start with a statement of intent, reduce it to a string of letters, and let AI generate a visual symbol. The results are not only striking, but also personalized to your magical work. Enhancing ritual visualizations. AI art tools can create immersive visualizations of ritual spaces, empowering your meditative and ceremonial practices. Creating digital servitors. Train AI to act as your digital servitor, reminding you of goals, tracking divinations, or even adopting a magical persona for deeper engagement. This is just the tip of the iceberg. My book, Hacking Reality, Supercharging Chaos Magic with Artificial Intelligence, explores these concepts in depth, along with ethical considerations when using AI in magic. How to blend traditional techniques with cutting-edge technology. The future of magic, including AI deities, VR rituals, and quantum computing. With step-by-step rituals, practical examples, and prompt templates, this book is your guide to unlocking the full potential of AI in your magical practice. In a time when technology often feels overwhelming or disconnected, Hacking Reality invites you to reclaim these tools and make them an integral part of your personal empowerment. This isn't just about magic, it's about forging a new path for collaboration between humans and AI, reshaping reality on your terms. Are you ready to take your chaos magic practice into the future? Order Hacking Reality soon on ebook providers and start exploring the limitless possibilities of AI in magic. Whether you're curious about creating your first AI-powered ritual or envisioning the potential of virtual deities, this book is your gateway to a new era of magical innovation. Click the link in the description to grab your copy of Hacking Reality, Supercharging Chaos Magic with Artificial Intelligence. Let's transform the way we approach magic together. Imagine a world where your will shapes reality with precision and creativity, where technology becomes a partner in the mystical arts, amplifying your power and expanding your potential. This is not the future. It's happening now. Have you used AI in your magical practice? Comment below and share your experiences. In the end, the only limit is your imagination. AI isn't just a tool, it's a catalyst for magical evolution. So, why wait? Begin your journey today and step into the future of magic. Order Hacking Reality now and find out different ways that you can supercharge your chaos magic exploration and rituals. Let's reshape the boundaries of magic and technology together.